Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the base. Pick 3 to 6 sticky notes of the same size. Fold each note in half, crease toward the center so the adhesive remains at the top. This creates petals that will curve naturally. Once done, stack the folded notes with adhesive edges aligned and hold them with a small clip or binder. Make sure to keep the folded edges facing the same direction. This alignment controls the spiral later, so you can move straight to shaping without refolding. Now you form the petal spiral by unstacking and slightly offsetting each folded note so their edges step outward. This stagger creates layered petals. You then roll from the non-adhesive edge toward the adhesive edge, keeping even tension so petals curl smoothly. As you roll, make sure the adhesive surfaces contact and hold. Where adhesive won't reach, add a tiny dot of glue or tuck an extra folded tab to secure. This middle phase sets the rose's fullness and controls how tightly it opens. To finish, gently fluff and separate the outer petals with your fingers so the rose looks natural. Press the center to tighten the bloom or loosen it for a more open look. Make sure to trim any ragged edges with scissors for a neat silhouette. If petals separate or the spiral unravels, add small glue dots hidden underneath or realign the adhesive layers and press firmly. This fixes structure without changing the shape. Use these final tweaks to balance form and hold.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.